Hey, this is John from Hula Boat Care, and today we're going to talk about a quick and easy way to maintain your boat's surfaces, whether it's waxed, ceramic coated, or has nothing on it. A lot of times boats get washed, and then when they get trailered around or they get in and out of the water real quick, there's some fresh grime, a little bit of light water spots, and we're looking for ways to just kind of easy and quick cleanup of the surfaces, leaving a just waxed or nice bright finish. And for that, we'll introduce our Surf Away spray detailer. This was one of our original products that we launched. Has a great scent, one of my favorite, fruit punch scent. It's chock full of polymers, and we put a touch of ceramics in it, which is new for 2023. Product sprays on, wipes off, adds the sparkle that you're looking for, and puts a light protective coating on it. Give it a good shake. On surfaces like this, where the boat's been trailered, there's a lot of road grime that you can't necessarily see. Just to kind of give you an idea. A light mist. Grab a dry microfiber towel. And just like that, you get a quick and easy way to clean your boat, giving it that nice sparkle that it deserves.